Hello there, welcome to the Gist Unplugged TV Live. On the Gist today, popular comedian Princess Dami narrates how actor Larry, popularly known as Baba Ijesha, molested one of the children under her care. Let's check out the gist.
I don't wish anybody should go through what I'm going. Some years ago, I had challenges with my marriage and I lost a baby. So some parents in my area, out of compassion, allowed their children to stay with me so that I will not feel lonely. There were 6 of them, 3 boys and 3 girls. Now, Baba Ijesha had challenges and he came to me for help. So I tried my best. I registered him in a lesson. He sat for GC and then I tried to get him into Unilag. In fact, he was enrolled. So he came that day, he needed more help and I was not going out. So I asked the children, because 3 of them are boys. There's a place down my street where they play. Then the 2 small ones wanted to follow them. So my auntie had come to visit me and he was there. He was there. So when she was leaving, I had to go downstairs to lock the gate after her. I didn't know what happened in the space of 3 to 4 minutes. But the following week, the school called me that I should come and see my children. What happened? They said the following week, the school called me that I should come and see my children. What happened? They said the girl sat on the brother's leg and was maybe doing her waist somehow. They called me. They called the parents of the children as well. The parents of the children are strict born again Christians. Me, I don't allow them watch cartoon safe. The cartoon that they watch, I must watch it with them. But the parents said that maybe it's spiritual. So we started praying. So he warned her not to tell anybody. I think he came back the next day to be sure if she told anybody. Said that he bought fruits and she should follow him to carry the fruits in the car for everybody. When she got down, he used his key again and to defile her again. After that day that he came, he didn't come to my house again. But anytime he needed help, he would call me. So when I saw the news, people are saying that he has been, molesting her for 7 years. They were saying so many things. Why? Fine, he defiled her, he assaulted her. And we just found out. But he never came to our house again. He was dodging me. So when he needed my help, I now called him that, Larry, you need my help. I'm not feeling fine. My wedding just ended. I don't have money. Why to Mama? He now said that he's sorry, he shoots him. So I went. But I noticed that he was avoiding me. I didn't even know why. Then the child started failing in school. I will pay for private lesson, everything. And when I told my family, they told me we should pray. Maybe it's spiritual. But the parents of the child said that we should keep praying to defile her again. After that day that he came, he didn't come to my house again. But anytime he needed help, why? Fine, he defiled her, he assaulted her, and we just found out. But he never came to our house again. He was dodging me. So when he needed my help, I now called him that, Larry, you need my help. I'm not feeling fine. My wedding just ended. I don't have money. Why Toshije Minimuma? He now said that he's sorry, he shoots him. So I went. But I noticed that he was avoiding me. I didn't even know why. Then the child started failing in school. You know, I will pay for private lesson, everything. And when I told my family, they told me we should pray. Maybe it's spiritual. But the parents of the child said that we should keep praying. They kept the children. Those 6 children. If those children are with me, God will answer my prayers. Okay, no problem. I kept on saying that something is wrong. This child has changed. Then my family said that don't I have faith? We should be fasting. Even the parents were fasting and praying. They will go to redeem, because they go to redeem. They will bring water, they will pray. But after 2 years, I said, this thing is not spiritual, something is wrong. That's how everybody saw pé mò ń tẹnu mọ́rọ̀. Pé mò ń tẹnu mọ́rọ̀, why tí mo ṣe ń tẹnu mọ́rọ̀. So last year, Shemo house. So last year, January, I said, okay, let me go and adopt a baby so that I will not be the only one at home. So, but I was like, are we not going to go to the root of this problem? You understand? So, because of Corona, we couldn't do anything. So this last month, I said that let me go and adopt the baby, because school is resuming next month. The children are going back to boarding house, but maybe we will change her boarding house again because something is wrong. My friend came here, she was telling me, Princess, you have been saying the same thing for 7 years. Yet tomorrow. And I was telling her, but I never imagined in my life, because for almost 14 years now, I have been helping children who have been abused and molested. I house them. I take care of them. Even women who have domestic violence issue, I house them. I help them. Why? Some people don't so got here more because he's a popular actor. If he's a popular actor, is he bigger than God? Somebody that came to meet me for help, no problem. I now said, let me call him. My friend now talked to the child again. That's what is going on. She now told us what happened. I was shocked. And I said, okay, let me call Baba Ijesha. I went to his page. I wrote, Baba Ijesha, please check your DM. Because I was trying his number, it was not going. He now sent me a message that Alpha. I said, I want to shoot a movie, he should come. So me and my mom, we said that when he comes there, we'll sit him down and ask him, is this thing, is it really true? Is it really true that there was nobody at home? I told him that I want to see those people. He asked me, who are these people? I said, they are DSTV people. I want to see them off. That when I go now, I will stay long. He should relax. He said, okay. I dropped my phone. I said, my phone is here. Then I went out. We locked the door. 2 seconds, he stood up. Begin to check my whole house. He checked every room to make sure none of the children are sleeping. Ofe sure so that he will be sure that none of the children is inside sleeping. He checked the whole house for camera. He checked the whole house. Then he started. I can't even begin to relay the things that he did. Arami Oba, I was shaking because we're monitoring it on the phone. But at the point when she stood up to go to the kitchen, I will know that there is no camera in the kitchen. The people came in. They called police. Police came immediately. They picked him. I asked him, Larry, kí ni mo ṣe fún ẹ? Kí ni mo ṣe fún ẹ? Torí o mọ̀ pé mi ò bímọ àwọn ọmọ yìí. Ó dẹ̀ wá kó àwọn ọmọ yìí sí mi lọ́dọ̀ kí màmá máa ronú. Kò dẹ̀ ṣerú kó báyìí fún mi. Kí ni mo ṣe fún ẹ? He said it's the devil. That me, I'm his benefactor, but the devil he was just talking rubbish. So I asked him what happened 7 years ago. He told me he was just begging me. They took him away. Every day, we go to the police station from morning till night. And Mama will be machine feel. Some of you are not saying that you post the video of the child. Move your Lord, baby. Even if you don't like me, please stop it. Stop saying all the rubbish cutting. The police have started their investigation. He confessed 4 different times. Kilefe, why do you want to see a child? Why do you need to see a child being molested? Why? Why? Irú ayé wo la gbé? Ẹgbẹ́ àwọn ọmọ wa ò safe mọ́. Àwọn ọmọ wa ò safe mọ́. Ẹ wo mi, mo ní kọ̀kọ̀. Mi ò ní kọ̀kọ̀ ju àwọn ọmọ yẹn lọ. Ibo ni mo fẹ́ gbé tèmi bàbá ẹ̀? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, please, ó ti tó. Ẹ fi mí lẹ̀, ẹ jọ̀ọ́. If you believe that I'm lying, why don't you wish it on your children or go and see him back and ask him? Why would I want to set somebody up, somebody that I'm the one helping him? Why? And enjoy my everywhere. I'm not okay. But let me tell you, especially those people who he is plotting with, who are trying to see if they can model everything. Even if I die today, orí mi àbíyẹ́ láre, orí mi àbíyẹ́, orí tí mo ṣe fún ẹ àbíyẹ́, ẹlẹ́dàá mi àbíyẹ́, ẹlẹ́dàá mo àbíyẹ́. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tá wá ń sọ oríṣiríṣi. Mi tẹ́ mọ̀ kó tí mo lè sọ sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Ṣó tọ́ sí yín. Look at somebody who call herself a rape survivor going online to say that he wants CCTV of a child being molested.